And if you're a Blender artist looking for a wonderful set of add-ons and you would like to get some beautiful discounts at the same time you're also interested in getting some free add-ons that you can use for everyday work, then this week we do have a good set of add-ons that you might want to consider taking a look at. And with that said, let's dive right into it. The folks at Production have just released Realistic Touch Surface Imperfection. The Surface Imperfection tool offers over 200 4K seamless textures which have been meticulously categorized into 10 different groups and would allow anyone to apply fingerprints, dust, scratches, grunge, smears, and much more on any surface of your choosing, allowing them to create a more significant realistic looking scene with both Eevee and cycles. This tool provides a smooth integration with the current Blender workflow, and you can simply get the scenes going by just simply clicking and dragging from the asset browser into your shader editor and start customizing it. So if you're in the market looking for add-ons or textures that are up to 4K that can add that surface imperfection to your scene, then you might want to consider taking a look at this one. More so, you can choose to use layers to superimpose, mix, and combine the textures to get a more unique result. And currently, this is doing a 25% launch offer, so if you like to grab this might just be the right time to do it. And if you're into environments, then the folks at Greeble have just created a ton of environment assets that would save you a lot of time. They've worked hand in hand with folks at Scatter to bring some amazing things to everyone. Currently, this offers a huge set of assets, and depending on the category that you're trying to get, there are lots of things for you to grab. The Skyline Ukiyo Model Metropolis offers over 200 plus mesh objects, 52 main assets, and also some extra assets. And all of these models are fully UV'd and PBR textured, with textures ranging from 1K all the way to 4K. This is fully asset browser ready, and like we mentioned earlier, if you like to use the GeoScatter tool, which is totally free by the way, to start scattering and generating interesting cities, of course you can. And for more assets, there's the Metropunk Neon Skyscraper, which is a Cyberpunk Kit Bash Greeble set of assets, and this offers over 250 plus mesh objects with 45 plus main assets. And the Grunt Factory Decay Assembly, which is an industrial Kit Bash Greeble set of assets, also offers over 200 plus mesh objects, 70 plus main assets, and a couple of extra assets as well. All of these assets are high quality assets and very lightweight, and they've been optimized for every workflow. And if you're looking for free ones that you can play with and start testing this out, they also offer 2 assets for free which you can go ahead and grab right now. And of course, if you're looking for high quality assets which you can use to create some interesting city skylines for your new project, new animation and games, then the Greeble assets are right here for you. And if you're into SpaceShip, then the Procedural SpaceShip generator is an amazing one that I believe anyone that would like to create amazing spaceships can actually start working with. This offers you the option of just using blocked out objects to create amazing spaceships. You can choose to adjust the geometry however you want, and this also applies to the shaders. Updated for the most recent version of Blender, anyone that's into sci-fi or probably you just want to create amazing looking spaceship with a simple block out, then you might want to consider taking a look at the SpaceShip generator, which is absolutely awesome. At the same time, the creator has also made some impressive add-ons as well, like the lighting generator, which is a procedural one. There's also the procedural river, which is a stream generator as well. And for those that are into jet fuel, magic, and also some impressive effect, then you might want to consider taking a look at the hologram effect, the glowing magic energy gemstone, the space nebula, the Loki tempered portal, which you can actually get for free, the glowing seedless plants, the Lego everything geometry nodes, and a lot more others. So if you like to get some procedural stuff that can do with effects, also impressive things that you might just want to throw into your scene and get them going, then you might want to consider coming over to the link in the description. That will bring you over to Huiko's page where you can see all of these and get them for yourself. And for vegetation artists looking for something interesting they would like to work with, then Windy Fields from Joshua is right here. This is an amazing procedural set of tools that would allow you to create wind middles and fields without melting your computer, as this effortlessly transforms curves into adjustable fields, and you can enjoy the freedom of drawing and creating wind fields super easily. So if you've been wondering how you can create animatable fields, or probably you're looking for a tool that supports a layering system, then you might want to consider looking at this one. This also comes with a remover collection tool and also an easy wind simulator. All of these are currently available with the windy fields, and you can start playing with them. Speaking of which, Joshua has also made one other cool tool which I think might save a lot of people some time, and that is the medieval city generator. This just simply allows you to expand the act of creating medieval cities without sacrificing your computer's performance, as this simply uses geometry node, and with a simple stroke you can start creating stuff. All of these are currently available on his storefront, And if you're interested in any of this cool stuff, and probably you like to create some amazing cities by simply using geometry nodes and control all of the looks and feel of the city, which includes light, vegetation, the houses themselves, and so much more, then you might want to go over to Joshua's page and check all of this for yourself. And if you're into product visualization or you love playing with Smoke, then Smoke Studio have you covered. Smoke Studio is a set of static, high-quality, detailed VDBs that you can use to style your product, presentations, or even use it to enhance your scene. This comes with 11 categories that are super interesting to work with, and you also have some interesting customization features that you can use to beautify how you like your scene to be, with options of upwards, backlight, magical, cloud, almond, extension, and other types of VDBs, creating that visually appealing product or that visually appealing render by simply having that smoke or fume around the object has never been easier. So if you're interested in smokes, then you might want to consider taking a look at Smoke Studio. At the same time, Hola Pro has also created the Fire Wish. The Fire Wish is also a set of VDBs that ships with 2K and 4K loops VDB files across different categories as well. This also offers a good number of VDBs that you can use to improve the visual fidelity of the scene that you're working on. There's also a Smoke Wish, which comes with a pre-rendered 2K and 3K set of files. This also ships with VDBs, and you can find them as loops, which you can also use for your product visualizations and also for your scenes. So if you're looking for something that you can use to add that visual fidelity to your scene, then you might want to consider taking a look at Hola Pro and see all of these amazing things that they have to offer. And if you're into cloth simulation, you probably have heard about Simply Cloth Pro, and if you haven't, then you might probably want to come through and check this from JSlab, as JSlab has recently updated Simply Cloth Pro to version 3. And version 3 now comes with a couple of interesting features. First off, the parameters have now been simplified, so anyone can start creating super easily. And if you create a simulation, you can now bake that cloth simulation to keyframes and use them just like you have in Marvelous Designer. More so, there's a pin layer system which currently exists, and for those who are thinking about drawing clothes on the surface, this is also something that is super possible. Previously, this was only possible in tools like Marvelous Designer, but it's pretty interesting to see that you can now have that with Simply Cloth. Additionally, you can now select and attach objects to the cloth, and if you like to create cloth from a certain selection of your mesh, this is also something that is quite interesting and possible. So you can now select various parts of the mesh that you like to work with, and you can convert that to cloth. These and so many other features are currently now available in Simply Cloth 3, and we'll probably do a full video about this one. So for those who are thinking about checking this out, maybe you want to see some more sewing improvement that is now available, or probably you would like to do some faster edits and get things going, then Simply Cloth Pro version 3 is currently right here for you. There is a coupon code for this one, and I'm going to find that and link that in the description just in case you like to get this. And for those that are looking for discounted add-ons, a few set of add-ons are doing some massive add-on discount right now prior to the Black Friday sale. So right now, if you like to get the Pro Align tools, which allows you to align multiple objects at the same time, depending on the maximum, center, and minimum depth axis, with a couple more options and features that you can do with this that includes rotation and all, then you can go ahead and grab this for a 36% off special offer that is going on right now. This is just an amazing set of tools that I think everyone needs to get, especially if you create multiple objects and certain times you like to have them aligned. Ubaniac Building Generator is doing a 35% offer right now. Version 0.25 is right here, and if you're also thinking about working with this, probably you're into creating buildings and you're looking for an additional set of building set of tools that you can use, then you might want to consider taking a look at Ubaniac and take advantage of the 35% offer that is going on right now. We've already spoken about Colorist in the previous video that we made about brand new Blender add-ons that you probably missed, and currently they're continuing with the early adopters 35% offer. So if you're looking for a tool that you can use to add some interesting grading and visual effects real-time in your viewport, then the Colorist Pro is one that I would suggest that you get. This just offers a lot of things, from enhancing the colors all the way to color grading, adding lens flare, glare, lens dirt, film emulation, selective color, color management, and a lot more things to offer. The Colorist Pro add-on from Monkey Business just simply makes your life super easy. This has been updated to fit into Blender 4.0 with an AGX update, and for those who would like to grab this right now, you can simply take advantage of the 35% offer, which is running from now till the 30th of November of 2023. And finally, the real-time materials, which is a 100% procedural set of tools made available by Docket 3D, is doing a massive 50% off. This is 2 times what you would get on any sale. So originally, market sales are always 25% off, which comes with so many things. But right now, you'll be getting this at 50% off. There's a coupon code for that, which I'm going to link in the description. And for those who are into motion graphics, or you're looking for a material that offers a set of procedural systems that you can use to control several things in your scene, then this is an ample opportunity for you to grab all of this for 50% off. So this is it. All of these are currently available, and all these add-ons have been carefully made by these amazing developers, and they've made them available for you to use and enhance your daily workflow. Tell me what you guys think about these ones in the comment section. All of these links are going to be in the description, so do well to check them out. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.